leaving me? Hugo, don't leave me, bro.
No.
Don't leave me.
Bro, I have 4 hours.
Daniel, take the keys, fool. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Starting the day off at Taco Bell. We just had breakfast. But we got all the homies out here. Today, unfortunately, is Hugo's last day out here. He came for the weekend for Beamer Fest, and today he's going home, back to Fresno. Today we're going to 412 Motorsports again. We're there like every single day now. But we're gonna go over there, kick it, hang out with the guys, and I think we're gonna go for a big old cruise after. Are you gonna have your M3 next time?
Hopefully. You come down to Fresno.
I will. If you get an M3, I'll go down there.
Alright, deal.
What's up?
I can't hear you.
We got Nora with us. We're about to go to 412 Motorsports and see what we can get into today. Let's go. Hey.
This is not the paint, but dude, look at all the white spots on my windshield.
Oh no.
It was all over the front bumper, dude.
I guess there was a truck in front of him that was spilling paint
Yeah. Are you serious?
while he was driving.
Look at my windshield. You see all the white?
At least the wrap's good.
No, dude, I was scrubbing like a fuck.
So we're at 412. There's this car that's here that I've been looking at for a potential next build, new project actually. I've been talking to him about it. I think it's for sale, and it's literally like the perfect start to like a drift build. As you guys know, I really want to drift so bad. That's like what I originally bought the E36 for, but then it turns out that that car is way too clean to drift. I don't really want to mess it up at all. You guys know how clean that E36 is, and I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to crash it into a wall and be so sad. I really want to find like a beater that if I crash it into a wall, I won't be too sad about it. And I think this is like the perfect start of the new project. So it's an E46 M3. E46 M3, as you guys can tell, it needs a lot of work. A lot of work. We're gonna come up to the front so you guys can see how much work it needs. It doesn't even got an engine, it has no transmission, and I think it's missing a few other stuff. But other than that, it's a really nice shell. The interior is super clean. All we really need is like a really nice engine, a nice transmission, and this thing will be ready to drift. So what I'm thinking is picking this thing up and either putting an LS engine and a transmission in here and taking it out to drift, or they have an N54 engine for this sitting in the shop. I think that comes in the E46 M3. And what we would do is put the S54 in here and turbo it and make like 600 or more horsepower, and that's what I really want to do. So if I did end up picking this thing up, either an LS would be in here or a crazy turboed BMW engine. But yeah guys, what about this for the next potential build? And you know it's gonna be clean. Like right now it looks really beat up, but I think it has a lot of potential, guys. Wrap this thing all red, of course. We gotta get red. Nice engine, good transmission, some race seats in here. I'll probably gut it all and put a roll cage, some sick wheels. I think it'll be a sick project. And it's an M3. And I think that's the coolest thing because I'll have an E36 M3, an E46 M3, and an E92 M3. All of them almost. Here's the interior. Like I said, it needs a lot of work, but I'd most likely gut the entire thing, put some buckets in here, put a roll cage, a 6 steering wheel, and I think that's about it. E46 M3. This thing is pretty sick, guys. I think this might be the next car. Comment down below what you guys think. Should I pick it up, and what kind of engine should we drop in here? Should we put a big V8 LS engine or a turboed BMW engine? I want to build something similar to this, like all gutted inside, a beautiful engine. Like that's goals, dude. God damn, dude. Bro, that shit is insane. Now you guys can actually see the condition it's in. It's pretty sick, dude. I think it would be like an awesome start of a new project, a big project, but it'll be so dope to learn a lot. Like I've never gone into like engine stuff, so I would definitely learn a lot about this car. and actually learn how to drift, which will be fun. Guys, check out this one. A lot of you guys commented about this one. You guys saw it in the background of my last video when I picked up the car. This one is beautiful. This E46 is goals. It definitely would fit in with my collection of M3s perfectly. If I were to get that one, we'll make it clean like this. Make it clean, but not too clean to the point where I'll be scared to drift it. All right, Joseph. What do I sit in the back or what? The seat over there? Yeah. Oh my God, it's gonna be sketch, dude. Woo. Guys, check this freaking seat out. Kept going.
Yeah. Well, it didn't even cut off.
That was freaking crazy, bro. Oh my God. Dude, that thing is insane. He wanted to take me for a ride in it because maybe potentially put this engine into that. Definitely enough power for me. I think he said 600 horsepower on low boost. That is scary. About to leave 412. I think we're gonna have a little photo shoot with all the E92s. We got Nor's, Trev's, and my red one. I want to know which one are you guys taking now out of these three? The Nardo gray one, my red one, or Trev's sexy one? Trev, vlogger, vlogger. Guys, I'm gonna put Trev's whole YouTube in my description. Why? Okay, well, send me a link and I'm gonna put it down below. And I'm trying to make Trev vlog. Who doesn't want to see this thing? Look at this. Do it! Bro, Trev's always around cool cars. He has a lot of content to film.
If there's like...
You gotta do it.
If there's like a good amount of comments.
Everyone go make Trev freaking vlog. Guys, we're trying to air up so that Nor doesn't feel left out. I aired up all the way. Damn! Monster truck crew. I'm trying to get Nor some bags, dude. I think Nor needs some bags next. All the way aired up. I think mine's higher. I think I got you beat, Trev. Fit in there perfect. Goodbye, take some photos. Have a little photo shoot. Take some pictures of Nor's car.
That's what's up. I appreciate you, Nick. This is honestly so sick.
It's sick on. Nor said there's no mountains in Sacramento.
There is no mountains. If you guys live in the Sac area, you know the closest thing is Lake Tahoe. And
that's crazy, dude. There's mountains all over us over here, dude.
It's so sick. Nah, bro.
It's crazy, huh?
2 years, maximum. And I'll be visiting a lot.
That'll be sick. I definitely had to bring you to this spot, bro. This is the best spot to see the whole city. All right, guys, we just got some food. Now, I'm about to show them the best ice cream place over here. Are you ready?
I know Jonathan's hella excited. I'm ready. I want to try it.
Even though we just ate, dude, we ate a huge meal right now. I don't even know if I could eat ice cream right now, but I'll show you guys the best ice cream. Some of you guys may know it's called After's Ice Cream. If you haven't tried it, definitely try it because it's so good. Damn. That's pretty loud, bro. And everything echoes here.
I like how you had your camera out. You're like fully ready for it.
We made it. After's ice cream. We just got yelled at for recording at the mall.
Honestly, that was crazy.
They're about to arrest Nora. Alright guys, here it is. If it focuses, a donut with ice cream in the middle. It's good, huh?
Guys, this looks like a burger. Ice cream.
Everyone's leaving me today, guys. Hugo left me, now they're leaving me.
We had a great time. Thanks for showing me.
Of course, dude. We're out. Today was another long freaking day. It's honestly been such a long weekend. From Friday and today's Monday, literally every single day has been a long day. A lot of driving, a lot of friends, a lot of fun. He has to go back up to Sacramento tomorrow morning, which is a long drive. I feel sorry for them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I don't know if it was short or long, but either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Comment down below what you guys think about that E46 drift build. I really want to pick that thing up. Subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.